Hey, welcome back to my channel. Replaced remote control compatible for Sony DAV. Replaced remote control compatible for Sony DAV DX155, DAV DZ120, DAV HDX465, HCD DX155, HCD HDX265, HCD HDZ235, DAV DX155, DAV DZ120, DX465, HCD DX155, HCD HDX265, HCD HDZ235 Home Theater AV Receiver System. Replaced remote control compatible for Sony DAV DX155, DAV DZ120, DAV HDX465, HCD DX155, HCD HDX265, HCD HDZ235, DAV DX155, DAV DZ120, DX465, HCD DX155, HCD HDX265, HCD HDZ235 Home Theater AV Receiver System. If your original remote was lost or broken, this one will be good a replacement for you. Pre-programmed, no need to set up, just put new batteries in and it will work right out of the box. It cannot be programmed again. Power supply, 2x 1.5 VAA alkaline battery. Batteries and manual are not included. Any questions or problems, please just contact us. We will try our best to help you. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.